How to create WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Sign into your account. Now tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select New Group from this drop-down menu box. Select the users that you want to add as members on your new group. Simply you can choose from frequently contacted or contacts on WhatsApp and tap on the arrow at bottom right corner of the screen. Now add the group name which is optional. And if you wish to enable disappearing messages, select it and tap the duration. Tap group permissions and allow each of the group permission like members can edit group settings, send messages, add other members, and if you want to approve new members, toggle the button on. When this is turned on, admins must approve anyone who wants to join the group. Once you have followed this step, you need to tap on the tick mark at bottom right corner of the screen and a group will be successfully created on WhatsApp. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.